Need help planning your trip on public transit? Use RIPTA's Trip Planner located on the homepage of RIPTA.com. Under the words Trip Planner, you'll see starting point and destination. This is where you'll type in where you are and where you want to go. You can use exact addresses or more general place names. For example, let's say we want to start at RIPTA's headquarters at 705 Elmwood Avenue. Type that in the starting point field. For my destination, I'm going to type in Kennedy Plaza, RIPTA's main transit center located in Providence. Next, select your travel preference option. You can select Leave Now, Depart at a certain time, or Arrive by a certain time for your trip. Let's depart at 10:55 a.m. today. Now click Get Directions, and there you go. Your trip will generate on Google Maps. But what if you need to be at your destination by a certain time? In this case, select Arrive By and put in the date and time you want to arrive by. Click Get Directions and it'll show you what time you need to board the bus to get to your destination on time. If you need help planning your trip, you can always contact our customer service team at 401-784-9500 extension 2012 or email customerservice@ripta.com. Thank you for riding RIPTA.